god. And then it's giving bean. It's giving bean in the back. This is a very hard decision. It don't move. Like, who said I wanted water on my head? It's giving ravioli. My skin looks good though, I'm not gonna lie. Not me pretending to swim. Hold on. I'm thinking, if anything. I poured the water already. Oops. Ew, it's giving mountain. Oh my god, I'm trying to see how I want to wear my hair for today. But look, my hair is just, it looks like I literally threw on a wig, which I did because it smells good though. I'm not even wearing it in a while. I was attempting to make tea, but I can't find any of my tea bags. So I don't want to buy breakfast though. That's the crazy thing. I don't want to buy any breakfast. How do I look? Like, I literally just threw on this wig. Yeah, I wanted to go for a walk. I wanted to go walk to Sephora. It's an extreme decision, but I wanted to walk because I need to get some steps in and do some exercise, and it'll save money. So I'm like killing a lot of birds with one stone. I guess that's what you call it. Like, I'm gonna be exercising, saving money, and still get to my destination. But this is giving hard wig soft life. Because why my wig is so high? I can't do this. I mean, it's cute because it's my wig. I love this wig, okay? But like, it's high. Or am I just not used to seeing my hair like this in a long time? No, it's literally high. Oh my god. And then it's giving bean. It's giving bean in the back. Oh my god. But I don't want to wear my hair out because my hair is straightened and it will revert. This is a very hard decision. Okay, let me just see what I would look like. Because I'm going to be in the water and I'm going to clamp my hair up. I'm going to be walking around looking like this. Do I want to walk around looking like this? Oh my gosh. And I have a hard time with making decisions. Obviously. This, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. Oh yes, I was thinking about just wearing my hair in a low bun. I could do that. Yeah, I might do that. So let me go fix my hair into a low bun. So I'm finally about to eat something. I have like some fresh pineapple, little pineapple chunks before I eat my actual breakfast, which is some like fried cauliflower or something like that. I don't know, some frozen meal. I just threw it in the oven. Hopefully it'll keep me up till I get to the spa location. And to drink, I was gonna get chocolate milk, but then I just realized I have this drink right here. Some Suja organic cold pressed green delight, apple, mango, banana, cucumber, and lemon. You know, it just goes with the fresh fruit vibe. So I'm gonna be drinking that and, you know, just feel really clean, and especially since I'm coming off my period, just feel really clean and just refreshed and rejuvenated. You know what I mean? So I'm about to leave to go, and I just want to show you guys my cute little goodie bag really quick because I like literally packed some essentials, probably like overpacked it, but this is a little baggie. I have some body butter, which is like almost done. It's just basically cocoa butter. This is what it is. Some body butter and some mask, like eye mask to put on. My hands are dry, don't watch me. And I have some refresher spray for down there. I have some Merit lip oil. Again, I bought this color with me, and I have hand sanitizer, Burt's Bees lip balm. I have an extra pen just in case I gotta write something. A little compact mirror. I have some breath minty things. My Burt's Bees lip balm that I'm gonna be trying today. Some napkins, panty liners, Sol de Janeiro hand cream, some sunscreen for the body in there, and then I have sunscreen for my face right here, which I actually have to put on just now. And I think that's about it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the road. I'm about to leave. I'm literally just walking around. Oh, that's why they have snow here? No way.
Especially for superhero, show must go on in kids. Go, yes. Yeah, welcome, so well.
So the olive sauna, I got very, very hot. And then they poured cold water on me and hot water on me. And then I went to a freezing cold pool. It was crazy. And then I got a freezing cold shower. And I'm in another sauna, but I don't know what we're about to do next. So I had water, cold water poured onto my hair. Mind you, I'm all natural. Look at my hair. Is this gel? I don't know. And I came with my hair blown out, but I put gel in it earlier to keep it flat. And this is what it looks like. Good thing I brought my scarf because, like, who said I wanted water on my head? I did not want to get my hair wet, and he literally poured water on my head. So I got some chicken dumplings, and I don't know what kind of sauce is that, but yeah, the dumplings and some of the drink with fruits in it. The chicken dumplings were good, but I'm still hungry. Anyways, I have this chocolate cake. Let's see how this is. I'm like biting into salt. But it doesn't taste bad, it tastes good. I'm still hungry. I should have gotten the pasta first before the dumplings. And I'm dizzy. I feel so relaxed, as if I had a massage. I think I'm like a little bit dizzy. I don't know if it's because of the tub or is it this drink. This drink got me smashed. Good thing my boyfriend is coming to pick me up because, yeah. Also because I had a drink last night with him, but I'm having a drink now, so I'm gonna finish this drink though because, yeah. But yeah, I'm a little bit dizzy. But I would definitely remember this day. I still have to go in the pool over there. And the other thing, I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's not another freaking hot tub. I don't need no more heat. I'm good with the saunas. I'm good on the saunas today. I just want to go in the pool. Wait, I think the pool is heated though. Is it like that whirlpool kind of thing that bubbles up? I want to go in that. And then I'm going to go in this pool thing over here. Yep, thank you. Anyways, I have a pasta. This is my last meal. My last meal of the day. Well, in this place, I should say. Because I'm doing too much at this point. It's giving ravioli. That's what it is. But I'm the cheap way. You know what I mean? It's not bad. Oh my god, I just splashed sauce on me. Like I had a nap and woke up, but really I just like took a break. I was eating and then I sat down for like 20-30 minutes actually, and then now I'm back in the water. I wanted to take my whole head, but I know I'm gonna be leaving soon anyways. So yeah. skin looks good though, I'm not gonna lie. My skin looks good without no makeup on. It's okay. Too bad I couldn't find a man out here. It's giving couples therapy. A lot of couples in here today, unfortunately. Anyways, I'm about to go to the other pool because I'm just sitting in here and it's warm and lame. Next. Not me pretending to swim. Hold on. Knowing I can't swim, I'm just waggling my legs. My feet is literally hitting the bottom. Let me stop. I cannot swim. I can't swim. Okay, I'm just paddling my legs. Whew. Okay, let me attempt this way. Nah, you see, if I were to literally swim, I would be sinking. Okay, what I'm gonna do is waddle my legs. I'm sinking. No, I'm sinking, bro. I'm sinking, if anything. I'm sinking, if anything. I'm waggling my legs, but yet I'm still sliding out. Make it make sense. Got the lifeguards looking at me every time I make a splash. That's not good. I am in another pool now. Let me see if I can swim over here.
You want water?
That would be great, yes. I was gonna ask you if you had any too, because I think I might be a little bit dehydrated with all that heat today.
Are you taking a picture of me?
No, of your food. Right, my bed.
What? What?
Nothing.